Understanding Art Brokerage, a guide to art and business. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of art brokerage. This concept blends the beauty of art with the practicality of business, and it's crucial for those interested in the art market. Let's dive into what art brokerage really means and how it works. Art brokerage refers to the service of acting as an intermediary between buyers and sellers of art. An art broker is someone who helps clients find, buy, or sell artwork. They are knowledgeable about art history, current market trends, and the value of artworks. Brokers provide expertise and guidance in navigating the art market, ensuring their clients make informed decisions. An art broker's role is multifaceted. They must understand the client's needs, be it a collector, an investor, or a gallery. They research and identify artworks that fit these needs, negotiate prices, and facilitate transactions. Additionally, they stay updated on market trends, attend art fairs, and build networks with artists, galleries, and collectors. Using an art broker offers several advantages. 1. Access to expertise. Brokers have in-depth knowledge of art and can identify authentic and valuable pieces. 2. Network and connections. They have established networks that can open doors to rare and exclusive artworks. 3. Negotiation skills. Brokers can negotiate better prices and terms, ensuring a fair deal for both parties. 4. Time saving. They handle all aspects of the transaction, saving clients time and hassle. Today's art market is global and dynamic. Art brokerage has become more important due to the increasing complexity of the market, the rise of online sales, and the growing interest in art as an investment. Brokers now use digital tools and data analytics to provide better services to their clients. Art brokerage is a vital part of the art world, blending the love for art with the intricacies of business transactions. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a collector, or an investor, understanding the role of art brokers can enrich your experience in the art market. We hope this video has shed light on this unique and exciting field. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.